Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Hello Newman, which launched on the 17th of September at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this debut release, and a really excellent one it is, from up-and-coming marketer Lou Hornberger. Now, Lou is actually a student of mine. He is also an excellent techie guy who's been doing some good work behind the scenes on some of my launches. So I'm absolutely delighted to be able to promote his first product. As you know, I always am big on people taking action and having the courage to, dip their toe in the water and get that first product out there. And so it's really great to start with that another new marketer has decided to do a product launch. But this one is, I would say, excellent quality for a debut launch. And yet again, which is why I always recommend new product launches to the membership of my Elite Tigers group as a whole, is that normally with a new product launch, people really pour everything into it so that they over deliver. They want to make their first product really good, and so they pack in loads of detail. It also tends to be the stuff that they know the best, because obviously you would have a sort of safety first approach when you're launching your first product, so you would want to focus on stuff that you really know a lot about rather than stuff that you're a little bit more vague on. So, whereas maybe the quality can slip a little bit, I include myself in that, when you get, 15, 20 product launches down the line, when you first start off, you really pour everything into it. And this is like astonishing value for currently $8. So, this is how to use story to make money for you, specifically from email marketing. So how to use story to both grow your list and then nurture that list once you've got them on board. And it does it in a really clever way, which is on the front end. It actually uses the characters from the top American TV series Seinfeld, which I'm sure a lot of you know, very popular over here in the UK as well. And the upsells, it actually talks about some other popular series as well. We'll come on to those in a little while. But it's done in a really novel concept. So I actually think this is tons of value. Any one of you that does email marketing or list building, and that should be everybody on the list, if you're not doing that, that is a major facet of internet marketing, and it's something you should be doing. So start doing it right away if you're not currently. But assuming that you are list building or you do have an email list, then Hello Newman is a product for you. So if this sounds like it's interesting, you want to know how you can use story to make better emails, to get better results from your list, then listen on to this review. I'll also go through the custom bonuses that I've put together. If you pick up Hello Newman from the link underneath my review, you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. As usual, I don't want that to happen. They are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Hello Newman, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you see that my bonuses are particularly congruent with the main offer. So, what is this all about? So, learn how an ancient secret that has defined civilization for eons can earn for you. You, yes you, have a story. It's time to use your story to make money for you. See how the power of story can transform your online business to earn on a regular basis, not just when you beg your customers to buy. 100% newbie friendly, no monthly fees, one time only, works in any niche imaginable. Build a passive income today, no risk, money back guarantee. We'll also have a look inside the members area. This is actually the overview. And we'll also have a look at the upsells. As I said, you can get this for just $7.97. It is a steal, folks. All right, so let's have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. What's Hello Newman all about? We've already been through that. The sales video, you can watch it either here or you can watch it over on the sales page. Only a few minutes long, folks. So what am I going to throw in? Well, I've done a lot of the legwork for you here as well with this product, which was an upsell to my own email marketing course, Eagle Emails, which I bought out, God, it seems like eons ago. I think it was about February, March of this year, something like that, maybe even January. I lose track of the days. But anyway, this is the upsell of Eagle Emails, which is Eagle Emails 365, which is a complete series of done-for-you emails that you can plug into your autoresponder, one for every day of the year. So I'm giving that to you completely free. Secondly, 10K storytelling formula, another blueprint to making 10,000 a month by storytelling. This is from Dexter Paglinawan. Next, 5K publishing paydays, how you can, also use story to make money from publishing. This from Brendan Mason, Mike Temples. I'm going to give you an email marketing masterclass. It's about an hour and a half long, this one. Also show you, if you're brand new, how to get started with email marketing with this 5-day crash course. Something, a little bit not entirely on the subject, but it's something that, we need to do within our email marketing, and that's create sales funnels that actually convert. And you can do that with Funnel Secrets. When you're building your list, the important thing that you want to be doing is to be building a buyer's list, not just building a list of people that, have no proven track record of buying. This is going to show you how to build a buyer's list. And finally, a list building masterclass. So this is more advanced than the basic tutorials earlier on how to build a list. And again, of course, you'll get the vendor bonuses that Lou is giving away to everybody. So I hope you can see that they're very congruent bonuses there with the main offer. So let's go back and have a look at the rest of the sales page. We thought we'd be back to normal by now, or is this our new normal? Well, it may well be for a while. So yeah, I'll let you have a look at this interesting background from Lou. He's actually worked as a pastor, I believe, in the US. So he's used to speaking to an audience and telling stories in that sort of sense. Story, do you see the power it has to connect to people? This is just someone that, a testimonial from someone that knows Lou. This is a very non-salesy page, I like this, and obviously it is a storytelling page. So do have a read through all of this, folks. We all know how effective email marketing is. Again, there's testimonial there, and it's not in any way a hypey page. How to grow this? What you're getting here? Simple over-the-shoulder training. Clever and creative course, low cost investment, very low cost, $7.97. And bonuses, there are some vendor bonuses. I think they're not on the sales page. I don't think. We'll have a look in the members area in just a second. All right, so inside the members area, so this actually overview. So you're going to be learning online marketing email concepts, configuring your email service provider's power, whichever email provider you have. Hello Newman story training main cast. So this is the training around the 3 of the characters in Seinfeld, and then there's a supporting cast if you take the upsells, which we'll come on to in a minute. So let's just go back to the main section here. So what you'll see is each section, there's 5 modules in the course altogether, and each of them have got various numbers of lessons. So that was actually the overview, is the first bit, which was 2 lessons. Then we've got the online marketing email concepts, 4 lessons. Then we've got configuring your email service provider's power, which is 5 more lessons. Then the main cast, which is like 10 lessons long. And bonuses are actually here. So let's just have a quick look here. So we've got some unadvertised bonuses. We've got some free webinar training. We've got learn the basics of online marketing, just like Lou did, and a great autoresponder at a great price other than Aweber. So there are your bonuses there. All right, so let's have a quick look at the upsells. So the front end, which I said the supporting cast, is $27, the OTO one. So this is a similar approach to the front end, but we're going to add some other series, popular US series, Kramer, the Costanzas, and of course Newman. So these are the upsell, again, all based around email marketing with storytelling. Upsell number 2 is Done For You, which is $97. And for this, Lou will completely set up your new Aweber account if needed, and add a full 2-week nurture sequence campaign along with a landing page and a congruent lead magnet. All you have to do is share the link. So for those that are completely non-techie and like Done For You, there you go. Upsell number 3 is license rights. Sell Hello Newman as your own product and keep 100% of the profits across the funnel. That's 197. And coaching calls, upsell number 4 is 3 one-on-one calls with Lou Hornberger, 30 minutes long via Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp or Facebook. Entirely up to you. So all good value. Maybe the license rights a little bit overpriced there, but everything else in that funnel is strong. I would strongly recommend the first upsell, and if you're non-techie, I would recommend the Done For You. So that is pretty much it. Pretty stunning as far as debut releases go, I would say. If you want to pick this up and get all these bonuses, just click on the green button there. That will take you through to the sales page. Then all you have to do is click on Add to Cart, and then that will bring you back into your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of Hello Newman, and you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is all there is to that, folks. I am going to give this the big 5 stars out of 5, because I think as new releases go, as debut releases go, this is right up there with the best of them. So with that said, all that remains for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath and also that bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out a new recording. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Hello Newman.